Spring is about to end, so we're going to see if we have any potatoes to harvest. So we can reuse the soil. I'm just going to pour the bag straight into this container and hopefully we get something out of it. Oh, there's a couple of little ones. I've got 2 other bags of potatoes, and we're going to try and leave them a little bit longer just to see if they grow any bigger. This one must have been one we planted, and they seem to have kind of rotted. It's just the skin. Need some more of these. Covers the tiniest. Any luck?
There's a few here, look.
Keep going, because... Oh, look, no, you just went past it, and there's one over there.
Oh, there you go. It's like ding of gold, isn't it? There's a really...
These are quite hard skinned as well, which means they're quite
what
easy
is
to
that?
harvest. So we did harvest these potatoes quite early on compared to the 3 other bags that we've got. We wanted to see how they're going, and all the foliage was dying back as well. So we've got a cute little few salad potatoes, so we'll enjoy these.